Hi guys, I do install Windows 7 to my computer and now I don't have driver for the internet. So I'm going to show you how to fix internet connection. So after installing Windows 7 to my computer, I don't have internet on, and I do googling and I find out that this problem come up when you install new Windows 7 to your old computer with the old drivers on. So to make sure that you have the same problem, you need to check your computer to make sure that you don't have drivers for. There is a driver that is missing. Scan for the driver, and on the bottom device driver software not successful, and check that no driver found. That's the problem. So and now you can see that I already find out the problem and already fix it. So you can see there is a mark the computer already on internet. So and also you can see that I still have the problem with the sound driver. So I already fixed the internet problem, and now I'm gonna plug to the internet and just download the driver for the sound system. And you can see that I already checked for the updates. So you see I already get into the internet and I'm gonna fix the sound problem. Yeah, you see I already on internet and checking for update. So I'm gonna show you right now how to fix your problem. So and you can see right now that there is 113 updates. It need to be update driver for my computer to work. Okay, so it's already downloading some updates for, and you can see that sound system already work on. So it's already fixed, and I'm gonna show you right now where you can get information for your driver and how to fix your problem. Okay, to fix my problem I use another computer, and you can see there is cheap driver support. You can get that website. Just find your drivers for your computer. So I get right there. My driver was SIS 900 drivers, and I download using USB cable to my USB, and then just plug to another computer and download it. So there is many drivers. Just check your computer which one you needed and just download, and there we go. Okay, and here is the driver for the sound system. It fixed my computer. So thank you for watching.